Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some amazing iPhone tricks and hidden features that you probably didn't know about. Now as always, iPhones are packed with hidden features and tricks that will actually let you do more with your device and of course make your life easier using your device on a daily basis. And we're starting with the first one. Now you probably have heard about a feature called battery intelligence, which is coming to the iPhone really soon, most likely with iOS 19. Well, you can kind of get that feature right now on your iPhone, and it's pretty simple to do. Now for this, I want to give it a shout out to iDevice Health for letting us know about this trick. Now the way it works is simply using a shortcut. Now all you have to do is just install this shortcut on your device. Now once you run this shortcut, it will show you how much time you have left until your battery is fully charged. Now the way this works is of course by showing you that notification, and it will work whether your device is charging or not. Of course, when it's not charging, it shows there how much time you have left, of course once you start charging your iPhone. So you can see right here about 38 minutes to fully charge. Now what's really cool about this is that you can actually combine this with an automation. And what you will be able to do is actually run this and show you that notification every time you plug in your device to charge. So you don't need to actually run it by yourself. You can just go to automations right here, tap on new automation, and just find here charger. And just select this, connected, tap on run immediately, tap next, and then all you have to do here is just go ahead and select the shortcut that you have installed. And now once you plug in your device to charge, it will actually run that shortcut and give you a notification which lets you know how much time you will need to fully charge your iPhone. Now here's another one which is really useful. I'm pretty sure most users actually don't know about this. Now you can create a focus mode or maybe on one of your existing focus modes, but if you want to create one just for this trick, you can do that. So basically what you can do here is that you can choose the notifications to actually show only when your device is unlocked, and that's really cool. So what you have to do here is go to right here to the options, and then all you have to do is just tap on silence notifications. It says always, and then just tap while locked, which means that once you have this focus mode enabled, your device won't actually show any notifications at all when your device is locked. Only when you unlock your device, you will actually receive the notifications, which is really good for your privacy. Now here's another one that I really love. Let's say you're on a website and you want to share a link with someone, but you want to point out something on that article or whatever that is. So right here on this article, I can go ahead and select this text right here. Now what I can do from the menu is go ahead and find this copy link with highlight, which means that once I go to share this with someone, let's say I want to send this as an iMessage, I can paste it right here. You can see now we have the link. Right there's the link, but we also have the text that we have highlighted there. So any specific like paragraph or whatever that is, any text on any article, you can actually point it out like this, which is really useful. Now talking about sharing things, once you want to share a podcast on your iOS 18 device, you can now actually specify the time that you want to share. So if I'm at this like podcast, of course, you know, podcasts usually are very long, like an hour or more. But if I want to send this to someone and I just want to tell them like a specific thing on that podcast, all I have to do is just go ahead and move here the cursor to the like time I want. And then once I go to share this, I can go ahead and share this actually with that exact time, which is really awesome. So I tap on share episode, and then right here where it says from start, you can tap there and select the time. So now once you send that link to someone, once they open the link, it will actually start at that specific time and not from the start. Now here's another one that's actually very simple, but I'm pretty sure most users don't actually know about. So when you're on the home screen, you know that now you can move your apps, of course, right here to the app library. Now most users most likely will do this, go to the edit mode, tap right there, and tap remove from home screen. That will add it to the app library, but you will have to do that for every app. Here's an easy way. All you have to do is just grab one app, and then you can just go ahead and select the others, grab them, and then just swipe like this and just release them there, and they will be placed on the app library and removed from your home screen. Now this one right here is very useful. Whenever you're on a website and you have an article maybe you want to read, but you don't want to do it yourself, you can actually ask Siri to do that. So all you have to do is just tap and hold, press and hold actually the side button to invoke Siri, or use the magic word, read me this article. And just like that, it will start reading the article for you. As easy as that. And you will have also the pause and play button right there, which of course you can pause and play whatever you're playing there. You will have the speed right here, and of course you can move backwards and forwards right here. Now there's another way to do that, which is actually pretty cool as well. So for that you will need to head on to your settings, then go under accessibility. You will have spoken content right here, and then you will have this button, speak screen. You enable that and it will show you this controller right here. Now this will actually read everything that's on your screen. It doesn't matter whether it's an article, a website, or something like that. It will actually read everything. So if I just go here and tap the play button, it will actually start reading everything you have there. So if I go here, you can see it reads the article. I can go ahead and make that, of course, faster. And what's really cool is that button right there. So if you switch to that little finger right there, what that does is that it allows you to just basically tap anything and it will read that for you. So right here, any word I tap, it will read that word for me. Now here's another amazing feature of iOS 18. Now just keep in mind that this will actually consume a bit of your battery because it keeps the microphone awake, but it's pretty cool. So you go to settings, under accessibility, you will find something called vocal shortcuts. And here's what you can do. It basically allows you to command your iPhone by using a word. So if I say lock, it will actually lock the rotation of my device, or I say flashlight, it will actually turn on the flashlight of my device. The way it works, you tap on add action and you say the word that you want to use right here, and then you can just go ahead and just select any of the actions, any of your shortcuts. So here we have the shortcuts, here we have the system actions like invoking the control center, the camera, go to home screen, lock the screen, show the notification center, whichever one you want, and then you say the word right here. It will keep that, of course, recorded there, and once you say that word, it will actually invoke that action. Now here's another one that's really important, and you need to actually know this and enable this feature. Head on to your settings, under your profile on the settings app, go to Find My, and here head on to Find My iPhone and make sure you have enabled Find My Network. Now what this feature will do is that it allows you to locate your iPhone even when your iPhone is offline. So you can see right here, this will basically locate the iPhone even when it's offline, in power reserve mode, and after it's powered off. So even if your iPhone is powered off, you will still be able to locate your iPhone. And this right here is also very cool. Now, whenever you want to share a photo, whether that be on any of your social media or send it on a message, if you're on a website or maybe any other social media, you want to copy the photo, and that way you can actually just send it anywhere you want. So if I just tap copy, I don't have to actually save this under my camera roll. I can just paste it right here and I will be able to send it to anyone without having to actually fill up my iPhone with different photos. Just copy it and share it anywhere you want. And last but not least, we're talking about the Notes app. Now, the Notes app is probably one of the apps that has the most hidden features on the iPhone. And here's a really cool one. Now, on your Notes app, whether you're on the light mode or the dark mode, of course, the app will follow that. So I'm on the dark mode right now, as you can see right there, and the dark mode is also enabled on the Notes app. But if I just want to have the light mode always enabled on the Notes, or the dark mode, whichever one you prefer, you can just tap the three dots right there and you will have this option here, use light background, and now I will always have the light mode turned on the Notes app, whether my iPhone is on the light mode or the dark mode. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 10 iPhone tricks that I think are super useful and every iPhone user must know. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.